Good morning, students. In the last video, I told you how to prepare debit voucher and credit voucher. We discussed about types of vouchers. Under cash vouchers, we prepare two types of vouchers. One is debit voucher and other one is credit voucher. Debit voucher is prepared when cash is paid and credit voucher is prepared when cash is received. So, I am going to take up question number 3rd of the back exercise question today. The question says, prepare the vouchers to be recorded in the books of Messrs Computer Aids. 4 transactions are given to us. Year is 2019. So first transaction is January 1. Bought computer for resale. When we are buying something for resale, then it means these are our goods. So we are buying goods for resale for cash, white cash memo number 512 for 7200, and one asterisk is given over here. So under the question it is mentioned transactions marked with this star asterisk are subject to levy of CGST and SGST at the rate 6% each. So when we are buying computer goods, then cash is going out of our business. So cash is being credited. So we are required to prepare the debit voucher like this. Under debit voucher, firstly we will give the heading debit voucher, then name of the business. In our question, the name of the business is Messrs Computer Aids. Then the number of the voucher. Here we don't know the number of the voucher. We can write here A. Then the date. Date is January 1. Then amount. Then we'll write debit here for the name of the account which is being debited. When we are purchasing goods, so one account is purchases, other is cash. So we are debiting purchases with our expense. That is for 7200. Then CGST, whenever we buy goods, we pay GST. That GST is called as input CGST and input SGST at the rate 6% each of 7200, that is 432 each. So total amount paid is 8064. So this way we'll prepare the debit voucher. Under the voucher the manager will sign and accountant will sign here. Then transaction number B, that is January 8th. Salary paid for the month of December for rupees 10,000. Again salary is being paid. This salary is for rupees 10,000. Salary is our expense. So whenever we make our expense, we need to pay cash. So cash is going out of our business. Cash is being credited. So which account is to be debited? Salaries account. So we'll prepare the debit voucher. So debit voucher will give the heading and we'll write the name of the company, Messrs Computer Aids, voucher number, date, amount. Debit, salaries account being salaries paid. We need to mention the narration also. Why this voucher is being prepared. Why salaries account is being debited. So 10,000 total, again the signature on both the sides and receipt foil with the stamp over it. Whenever we make a payment, then we put a stamp also on the debit voucher. Next, transaction number 3rd on January 10th, that is sold computer for cash. That means we are making sales for rupees 12,000 and star is marked, so we have to apply GST over this transaction. So credit voucher will be prepared for this, because when we make sales, cash is coming into our business. Cash is being debited. So some other account is being credited. So here the other account is sales account. So on account of sales, we are receiving cash. Voucher number, date, amount, name of the company, same as in the case of the debit voucher. Then credit. Only the thing changed is in debit voucher we give the heading debit for the debit account, and in the credit voucher we give the heading for credit account. The account which is going to be credited is sales account. Sales for 12,000 and GST 6% each. Whenever we make sales, then we receive GST. that GST is called as output CGST, output SGST. So 6% each comes out to be 720. So total 13,440 and signature of manager as well as of the accountant. Next, fourth point is January 15th, withdrew cash from bank for office use. Wide check number this. Amount 1700. When we are withdrawing cash, तो cash is coming into our business, cash debit हो रहा है. So credit क्या हो रहा है? Bank, क्योंकि bank asset है जो कम हो रही है. So credit the decrease. We know these accounting rules of debit and credit. So now we are going to prepare credit voucher as the business is receiving cash. So cash is coming into our business, it is being debited. So credit किसको करें? Bank account. Narration being cash withdrawn from bank. Then total amount, total, again the signature of manager and accountant. So these are our debit vouchers and credit vouchers for Messrs Computer Aids. Thank you students.